Good evening, fellow golfers and those who don't play but are here. So I qualify you all as golfers. It's a delight to be here this evening. 26 years ago, when I first went to the golf course, a brother-in-law of mine introduced me, and it was a difficult decision because I had been only 2 or 3 months, and there's no way the old men in Menchia would allow me to go to the golf course. And they couldn't accept that. They would leave me alone there. They weren't sure about the security. It took me time to convince them that that is the only way that's going to help me to survive. So they had to send some old men and some linguists to follow me to the golf course to see whether it is safe for me to play. They weren't satisfied, but it took a whole lot of convincing. I used my mother to convince them that I will be okay there. And and that has led us to today, 26 years on. I had someone who gave me my handicap. Is he here? Najman. Najman, are you here? He took me round to give me Edu. You know him as Edu, but I know him as Najman. The oldies. Where is Najman? He's not here, yes. He had to give me my first handicap, even though it didn't mean anything to me because I was not going to play any competition. But it was as a rule for me to be able to have a handicap at that time. I don't know what I have today. But I enjoy golf. And that's what keeps me away from the palace. That is the only way that I can sneak out from the palace. When I come back, I'm a prisoner there. So every morning I look forward to going to play golf. And I see so many beautiful people there that I meet most mornings. My security wouldn't allow most people to come around, and I insist that I still want to see them. At times they are not amused at all. If you see, because the reason why they follow me is that it started from 26 years ago where they insisted that the condition is that I should have security around me when I'm there. And it's followed me up to this time. But I try to sneak out a bit to talk to people and all that. Why? Because all those people I meet there are nice people and they're also enjoying golf. So I thank you all. Most people that I meet most mornings, I thank you for being there for me. 75 years now, and I'm being celebrated by Telecel and the other sponsors. 75 years now, Royal Golf Club is celebrating me. 75 years, not that I've been on the Golden Stool for 75 years, but that is my age. I started saying 26. 26 is how long I've been here, but 75 is my age. I heard people saying that they are not sure whether I'm 75. I am. That's my date of birth that my mother gave me. So I thank Telecel and the other sponsors for honoring me by sponsoring Royal Golf Club for this golf tournament. I must say that I'm so happy and delighted to have all these beautiful people here and sitting here watching people who were receiving prizes. The people who came from far and near, Nigeria, Ivory Coast, Togo, and all those places. I said, what a delight to have all these cross-section of people here. And corporate ECOWAS and Vanguard and all that, all here being a part of this golf tournament. I pray that they continue. I pray that I'll be here for long for us to be celebrating the 68 and 69 and 70 and 71 of the Asante Hen Gold Cup. I inherited it, but I've made sure that it survives. And we should continue to let it survive. And I also would wish that you celebrate with us every year when we assemble here, because Telecel promised me that they are going to be with me for as long as we can. So, but, and then now the chairman, when he came to see me the first time when he was being introduced, Pat has told him that when we go to the king, make sure that you talk about golf, because if we fail, we are in trouble. And the promise has been fulfilled, and we are still going to continue with this one. I wish that your business also continues to flourish. All the new sponsors who have come to be part of this, I say thank you very much in a deep sense of gratitude for being a part of this celebration. And I wish that you also continue. I pray that with your sponsorship, you'll get the mileage to earn more businesses into your company. Because I know you're not sponsoring for free. You need the mileage, you need to be seen. So I pray that it goes on like that. But distinguished golfers, I thank you all for the honor. For all of you being here, you came because you love golf. Personally, I say thank you because you love me. But I say thank you for loving golf. And I can assure you that I'll do everything possible to make golf the leading sports in Ghana. We should try it. I'm trying to convince my granddaughter, who is a medical doctor, to play. She plays tennis. And I said to her, she has to play golf. It's taking a time to convince her, but I think she will come this time. She's sitting somewhere there. Where is she? Ohimawe. She's there. But she has to play golf, but she plays tennis. And I said, come and join me at golf. Fortunately, my dear wife enjoys golf. And she plays most mornings when she can. But the unfortunate situation is that we play at a different direction and she plays at a different direction. Because we don't want any arguments at all. I may complain, I may be criticized that you are not swinging properly, and therefore it will create confusion. So she plays with her auntie, and if you know her, and the auntie, Miss Nyako, she plays with her every morning. And so it's better for them to play from the back nine whilst we play from the front nine, or they play at the front nine where we play at the back nine. But I'm glad that she enjoys golf, and it makes me happy. My children are also playing golf, and therefore I'm happy with that. So that is the sports we are talking about. I see Evira every morning walking with her sticks. And over the weekends, she will bring her husband, and then she shouts from an angle, and I hear her. Margaret is always there waiting for me. I have so many people here who I see most mornings, and as soon as I see them, it's a delight. Mona Kaptan, the old lady who is playing all through, she will come for this celebration because of me. And I saw her on Friday. She said, Nana, I'm here. I said, Mona, have you come? He said, yes, Nana, I'm here. I can't fail you, so I'm here. So, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. In a deep sense of gratitude, I thank you for coming. Thank you very much. But let me say, I am very, very happy with the management of the Royal Golf Club. I am very, very happy. And they've managed the course properly, fairly. They've dealt with people by the rules, and I'm satisfied with that. I am in no way going to change them now. They still would have to continue to do the good job. And the progress and the development on the course will continue. I think they are trying to build a small boutique hotel. Charles knows, and the chairman and Professor Badin knows, they're trying to build a small boutique hotel. And that also will be finished, I don't know what time, but next year or next 2 years. And so golfers can have the use of it when they come to Kumasi. I thank you very much.
Thank you very much, His Royal Majesty. We can do it better, let's do it louder. Thank you very much, His Royal Majesty. His Royal Majesty, respectfully, there are some sweet lady golfers here led by Auntie Mona. They are the Ghana Golf ladies. And now they want to do a presentation to you. And so we'll invite them. Auntie Mona and her team, please, can you come over and let's do the presentation now. After that presentation, it's going to be dance time. After dance time, we are going to do the vote of thanks, which will be done by Madam C.Y. Nyako. And so please, after dance, we'll all wait here. We'll hear the vote of thanks before we finally depart. Thank you. So, yeah, sure, we'll dance, Nana. Nana says we are going to dance, so please. His Royal Majesty says we are going to dance. And so it means that all of you should put your dancing shoes on. We are going to dance. All right. So,
His Royal Majesty, Otumfuo say tutu. Nana, Mama. Mama. You go golf. You started golf in here in Kitwa, and then you babo mewa. You go so Nana, I bring you now, Frey, the NG, your busway, and J, kama. Na a few idea Omar Resa a May, Omar Resa some Kakrashamano. Say, Nana Memphas, and for me to win him. Omar seemed to and say, there be a back near Bebo, near dear, Nenadi system. If we say, yes, your channel, your Father's Day, yen to me, Mahasa, near uncle. You've been a father to us since time immemorial. Yenny so, Nisanti, a mayor can come Musasi. And I had tenancy, and I should share at the fair fee. At the fair fee, customized blue label. Cameraman, come on the betul so mamia. Customized blue label. Yes, Yatroso, Otumfuo, Happy Father's Day. Onananom. Yes, if I see ho, Nechenamia Adom, Father's Day, when you are hoa, with your home. Nay, I send Tiano. Nana, you see, a mayor, a fibia, you bought a mar competition. You're free and my free, and Mia Africa, baby, I'm a babble. I had to need Ghana Ladies Open. Afi, yes, abebo. It is Oti and Kan. Last year, your born was celebrating. A few years, yes, here they call Center of the World, whatever. Now, Yayane say, Sebibia to 2 years. A few be remaining there, and I will be who ya ha. Ye the ladies open no, ye the better na ofia. Nemum, a few years, ye born was Center of the World Golf Club, tema. Inti ye first akwenya we so. Near the inviting Nana, near their friend, so on so. Any ni bibia entire chi. Na ye ladies open a bono from the 10th of July to 13th no. Aye nkoso amaye. Inti na ye ba ya no asem no. Nana Nyankwada. Yo, yeah, what tradition? So back home, you see, we feel now kofa ye nchiri. Now, Yagrona Yedian, golfers, we have respect for our veterans. Mona happens to be one of our veterans. She has been in the golfing sector. She's been an inspiration. All of us look up onto her. She has played golf for 50 years. This year, our sister is going to celebrate her 50th golf playing jubilee. And she's asking us this evening to invite each and every one of you here to be there. You have the information, the invitation formally, but it's a way of letting you know that we honor our veterans and that our sister is celebrating her 50 years anniversary. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ghana Golf ladies. That was awesome. Wasn't that lovely? A customized blue label for His Royal Majesty. All right. Okay, so Miss Dria, are you ready, please? It's dance time.